Another video in our series, Hams Helping Hams. And this is the big swap out today. We replaced my Diamond V50 antenna with a Diamond V50A to give me more gain. And there's Joe Guerra up on the roof there, raising the mast. Seems so patriotic, doesn't it? Ham radio is freedom. Freedom from reliance on cellular networks. Freedom from reliance on a wired world. Imagine communicating around the globe from just a tiny wire strung up between trees in your yard. And Joe, I gotta thank you again for your expertise, your dedication to all the hams and newbies like myself in this club. And thanks to the friendliest ham radio club in America, the Overlook Mountain Club here in beautiful Ulster County. There's Joe up on the roof. He's swapping it off and switching the coax. We're putting some LMR 400, which is the best wire to get a very low SWR signal. And there he is, putting on a lightning arrestor.
Hold on, we're going to start at 144, change, got 15, going down to 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Diamond V2000, 1.0 SWR on the high end of 2 meters. The worst case is around 1.5. Let's go to 6 meters. The end you'll be using is around 52 megahertz, and you can see the SWR is down to 1.3, 1.4. I gotta put it on here now. This one's for the high frequency, 70 centimeters. Look at that. 430 to 450 megahertz, 1.6 SWR, 1.1, 1.2. 1.3, 1.1. Beautiful. You're good, John.
Perfect SWR, right?
Yep. Very nice.
Well, we tested it inside. We hooked it up to the Yaesu 991A radio, and it was perfect. Thank you, Joe, for your expertise, patience, support, and friendship. And for more information on the Overlook Mountain Radio Club, the world's friendliest radio club, go to omarclub.com. See you in a future video.